Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. On today's video I am going to show you how to add energy to Tronlink Wallet. So it's a wallet that is based on Tron, so the one of the major crypto assets out there. And if you want to know how to set up your Tronlink wallet, I have a video that will appear on the cards, okay, so that you guys can follow along. And today I'm just going to go through that so that you be sure and always have some energy there, because if you send just that I was a little bit with some doubts about it, but I didn't have energy. I did it yesterday, and I lost some Tron because I didn't have enough energy to send the transfer that I wanted. So all you need to do, guys, you go up here. This is the icon for the Tronlink wallet. After you set it up, after you download it, and after you set that up. And for different reasons, I have several wallets here that I've set up. Now I'm just going to go through one of those. You basically, the one that you start, okay, you will click there, and you will have needs to add some funds, okay, to the wallet. Some Tron, add some Tron in here. And when you have some Tron, what you need to do is you go here to stake, okay. You need to stake some Tron. This is the only way for you to get some energy. In this case, this wallet already has some energy, but it's not much. But the main wallet that I want to send a larger sum has no energy there, only bandwidth, and we always need also some energy. So what you need to do is click on stake, and you are going to stake a portion, like 2, 5, 10 Tron, 15 Tron, whatever you want, to add that energy to your wallet, and so that you don't start losing some Tron on that process. So you click there, okay, you go to tronscan.org, and this is on this wallet I have 2 Tron available. What you need to do is you click on here, obtain, and by default it appears Tron Power and Bandwith, but if just the power and bandwidth, you won't get any energy. So you need to click here. You switch to Tron Power and Energy, and you can insert the amount of Tron that you want. In this case, I'm going to put the maximum. Okay, so maximum. Oh, it's not working. I don't know why. So 2 Tron. You need to click here to I confirm to stake 2 Tron for at least 72 hours. Okay, and after that, okay, let me see. Well, sorry guys, I had to change the wallet because that was the one that I had already done the stake. So you go to the wallet, you click on stake, okay, then you click on obtain, and you switch from Tron Power and Bandwidth to Tron Power and Energy. You insert the amount that you want to stake. You click here to confirm that I want to stake, in this case 2 Tron. You click on stake, and it will be this box appears. You need to click on sign, and you will have token stake. So successfully stake 2 Tron. Data updates takes about 1 minute. So click on OK, and you will see that you have 2 Tron staked in here. Let me see if anything appears in here. So this could take a little while in terms. So as you can see, guys, available balance 0.9, stake 2 Tron, and as you can see, energy 49. So it adds up some energy to your wallet, and thus you can send your Tron somewhere else without paying any types of fees. Okay, so basically, guys, this is it. A very simple way for you to add energy to your Tronlink wallet. Thank you so much, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments below if you feel like it. And thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.